Let's solve this together. It says 3 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 20. We are going to solve for the value of x, okay? So how do we do this? Now first things first, you can say that 20 here is equal to 4 times 5. Now 4 is 2 squared, so we have 2 squared times 5 is equal to 20. On the other hand, moving on from here, we can say 3 raised to power x minus 2 is the same thing as 3 raised to power x divided by 3 raised to power 2. Okay? Because in the laws of indices, when the bases are the same, you subtract the powers. And that's what we've done here. Now this now becomes equal to what? This. Alright? So we have 2 squared times 5. Alright? Now moving on from here, we can now say that 3 raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power 2 times 2 raised to power 2 times 5. Alright? From here, we can say, let's take the logarithm of both sides in base 10. Logarithm of 3 raised to power x becomes equal to logarithm of everything here, which is 3 squared times 2 squared times 5. Alright? Now, from here, we can say logarithm of a number raised to a power means that you should multiply the log with the power. So we have the power is x multiplying this log of 3. Alright? And this becomes equal to, now when you have something like this, you split up and put plus. So we have, for the first one, we'll have log of 3 squared plus, okay, now this is log of 2 squared plus log of 5. Alright? Continuing from here, we now have x times log of 3 is equal to, at this point, you can now say log of 3 squared is something as 2 multiplied by log of 3, stated initially, plus, same thing here, 2 multiplied by log of 2, plus log of 5. Alright? To get x, we divide through by log of 3. So we have log of 3 striking log of 3. Now we have here all over log of 3. So moving on from here, we have that x becomes equal to 2 log 3 plus 2 log 2 plus log 5 all over log 3. Okay? Now from here, we can say that let's split this up. So we have 2 times log 3 all over log 3 plus 2 times log 2 all over log 3 plus log 5 all over log 3. Log 3 strikes out log 3, so we have this to be equal to 2 plus log 2 over log 3 times 2 plus log 5 over log 3. Okay? Now this becomes equal to, now when you have something like this, log 2 over log 3, okay, we can simply say, let me just state a law. When we have log A over log B, it can become equal to log of A to base B. Alright? So from here, this becomes equal to 2 plus log of 2 in base 3 times 2, okay, plus log of 5 in base 3. And this will become the final answer for x in this question. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.